Pizza and the likes of a full symphony orchestra. Strange combo, you say. Here's Pete McKay to explain.
Inside this building on West Alameda, behind all the glass, you'll find the equivalent to a 91-piece orchestra. This orchestra is actually the largest working theater pipe organ in the world, and it's right here in Denver at a place called the Organ Grinder Pizza. A variation on Dinner and a Show. This show performed by 2 feet and 2 hands on an awesome set of keys.
To acquaint oneself with an organ like this takes some time, and you don't just go in and start playing. You spend hours sorting it out.
Keith Kendall is one of 3 organists on this masterpiece, an original from the silent movie days, and it's worth some money, too.
I would say easily $300,000. If you could obtain such an organ now, they're very, very scarce. If this is, like me, it's an antique.
Both of these antiques are in the spotlight. Horns and drums and gongs and glockenspiels, 3,000 pipes. The largest is 32 feet tall.
At the other end of the scale, the highest pitch pipes are about the length of a cigarette.
All the sound and all the power from one man on one amazing instrument.
It's a tremendous feeling, and I've been doing this for a long time, and the thrill is always there.
Pete McKay, News Center 4.